All right, let's see this part of my presentation. In this part, I'm going to show you how you can use the Microsoft to solve matrices, to do problems on matrices, basic addition, subtraction, multiplication of matrices, transpose, and some other things. So this part is also good for us as mathematics teachers. So how do you do that with your Microsoft Word? Everything goes to this. Get your mathematics installed in your system and integrate it into your Microsoft Word. So to start, you come to your equation. You can actually get matrix from here. You can get whatever row you need, column, any part of matrix. But I don't like using this. I've told you before. I prefer using my FS equation to impute my mathematics. So to impute matrix here, make sure you check the matrix here. See matrices, make sure it's checked. Then you start. Open your brackets, close. So let's start with basic matrix. Let's say a 2 by 2 matrix. If I say 2 comma 3, you see a column matrix has appeared. But if I need a row matrix, I don't need any comma, just go straight. So this is column. See, if I need row, if I need column, this is row. Now if I need column, I'll use comma to separate them. So that is that. So let me start now. All right, so this is 2 3, then give a space. Just a single space is enough. Let's say 5 comma 6. Okay, let's say I want to add it to another matrix. Let's say matrix B is you open your bracket and close. Let's say 1 comma 2, then give space. Then let's say 3 comma 7. So I want to add these two matrices. Impute it like this. Just tap on this, go to your Microsoft Word, paste it, then go to mathematics. Under compute, you see you are there. You may want to do other matrix operations. You calculate determinant, inverse of a matrix, trace, transpose of matrix. You can actually do so many work on matrix here. But let's do this basic addition. So under calculate, see your result for matrix is out. Put your equals to backspace and you are good to go. So this is 2 plus 1 3, 5 plus 8 and 3 8, 3 plus 2 is 5, then 6 plus 7 is 13. So this is the result of this matrix. You can actually do other changes, put subtraction, come to compute. You see, if you test it, it's wrong because I actually did addition by doing this. That means I need to delete this, delete the equals to, remove this false before I can actually test the validity of this. So if I calculate this, so this is the result for subtraction. So this is how we use the Microsoft to do basic matrix. So if you need a 3 by 3 matrix as usual, let's go to FX for quick imputing of equation. So if it's 3 by 3 I need, that means I need another extra comma here, 5. So I need another extra comma here, let's say 4. Then I need to give another space, let's say 2 comma 3 comma, let's say 8. So this is 3 by 3 matrix. Then here also I need another extra comma, let's say 3. So I need another extra comma here, let's say 5. Then give space and say 3 comma 6 comma, let me use 2-digit number here, 10. So this is my matrix. Then you are good to go. You tap that, come here, paste it. So this is it. Then go to mathematics, compute, calculate. So this is your result. Put your equals to, good to go. You can increase the font size if you want for them to be of the same size. All right, so this is it. So this is your matrix addition. If you need the result of subtraction, just remove this, put subtraction. You know this is wrong, so you just need to delete this one. Just delete this, then come to your mathematics also, compute, calculate. So this is result for subtraction equals to, take it back. You have subtraction. If you need multiplication, as usual, just get your times. This time, get the symbol of multiplication from here. So this is a multiplication, but you must delete this first. Then compute, calculate. So this is the result for multiplication. So you can actually do all this using your Microsoft Word. So this is very nice for us mathematics teachers, even for our students. You can play around with this, play around with the tools. You can see the way I did it easily using the Microsoft Word. I don't need a calculator. My Microsoft has become my calculator and I'm good to go. So this is for addition and multiplication of matrix. Alright, let's remove this. If you want to do basic determinants, let's just do determinant of this matrix. So determinant, just come to your mathematics. See under here, you can see your calculate determinant. See the results out there. -3 is the result, which is 6 times 2, 12. 12 minus 15, that is -3. That's how we do the determinant. So that is quick and fast. So if you need to do the inverse of this matrix, also come to compute matrix. You can see the invert of the matrix. So this is the invert. Let's undo that. So if I also need to do the transpose, I want to transpose this matrix under here, transpose matrix. So this is the transpose of the matrix. So you can just play around with this, play around with it, get your result, and you are good to go. All right, let me do a inverse of 3 by 3 matrix. Let me remove this one. So you can impute this. As you impute your 3 by 3 matrix, copy this, take it to Microsoft Word, paste it. So if I need the inverse of this matrix, just come here. So the inverse of the matrix is this. So you can see the inverse is out. So you can, let me try something and see. Let me see if I can do multiplication of the matrix and the inverse directly. Let's see if it will work for me. Alright, let's see compute. Yeah, it actually worked. This is what I was trying to achieve. So you can see you can actually do so many things with this Microsoft Mathematics in Microsoft Word. You know, a matrix times its inverse always give an identity matrix. I wanted to test it and it actually works. So this is actually nice. You can see a good demonstration for your student, very quick and fast for them to check. This is the matrix, this is the inverse. So the matrix times the inverse always produce an identity matrix, and you can see the result of the identity matrix, 3 by 3 matrix. So with this, that is a proof that this is correct. So if this were not to be the inverse, there's no way I can get the identity matrix. So this is one thing you can actually do with your Microsoft Word, solving problems on matrices. Turning your Microsoft Word into a calculator is very, very interesting for us mathematics teachers. So I hope you enjoy this aspect of my presentation. So that is all for now. Just play around with the tools. Get your matrix and get your matrices, use your fx equation to impute your equation very fast, and you will enjoy using your Microsoft Word to do your mathematics. So thank you for watching this part of my presentation.